Good day, everybody. My name is Paul Akinlusi. I'm here to show you another new setup we just did. This is Centurion D5 Smart with G Ultra system. So I can control it with the key. And another advantage of G Ultra is that it has 2 batteries. So it has an higher running speed. I can also close it back with the key. I can operate it by calling the gate. I can operate it. The moment I make a call to the gate, the gate will open via normal call and as well via SMS. I don't want to show the number of the gate. So the moment I call the gate number, it's open. And lastly, anything that is happening on the gate, I receive it in form of text message. So if you have a client or you are interested in it, can you see? I receive it. It show or open. Maybe I should move to where you can see it very well. Can you see? It will tell you the gate status, open, close, pedestrian. And I also set this gate on auto close. So meaning that at any point in time, probably maybe I mistakenly opened the gate and I forgot to close it back. The gate will close by itself. And it also has a pedestrian. I also set pedestrian setup. It's open a little and after 20 seconds, it's closed back. So if you want to do gate automation, CCTV, electric fence, motorized gate, or smart home, you can call on my number. The gate is closing back. +234 80 380 15711. Thank you very much and stay blessed.